Let's divide 278 by 2. Hey math adventurers! If you're having fun learning with me, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Alright, let's start dividing 278 by 2. We'll start with the first digit of 278, which is 2. We bring it down to get our first partial. How many times does 2 go into 2? It goes in 1 time. Let's check 1 times 2 is 2. Now we subtract 2 minus 2 equals 0. Easy peasy. Great job, you've got the first part done. Time to bring down the next digit, 7, to make our new partial. Here we are at step 2, we have a new partial, 7. We're using the remainder 0 and bringing down the next digit, 7, so now we have 7. How many times does 2 fit into 7? It fits 3 times. Let's check 3 times 2 is 6. Time to subtract, 7 minus 6 leaves us with 1. Awesome work, you're doing fantastic. Let's bring down the last digit, 8, to make our final partial. Last step, let's go. We combine the remainder 1 with the next digit, 8, to get 18. How many times does 2 go into 18? It's 9 times. Check our work, 9 times 2 is 18. Subtracting 18 from 18 gives us 0, we're all done. You nailed it, high five. We've successfully divided 278 by 2. The answer is 139. So 278 divided by 2 equals 139. We just tackled dividing 278 by 2. You see, with a little practice, long division can be super fun and easy. Great job, everyone. Keep practicing and you'll be a long division pro in no time. Check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud.